We are at the Digit Tech Day event and we are with Subhrojit sir, who will be explaining us about all the phones.
I'll just remove the cover so you can see the design properly inside. But it's a gorgeous looking phone. It has all glass design, but it's frosted and it's designed to make it look really premium, and it has a triple camera setup that's like flush with the body, so there's no camera bump whatsoever. Now on the front you have a pretty bright AMOLED panel, and it stretches all the way to its edges with very minimal bezels around it. But the best part of this design is the camera. So this is what OPPO is calling the shark fin pop-up camera, and what it inspired people from is the fact that this whole angle is at 11 degrees, so that completes a golden ratio, right? So that's a big design goal that most people try to keep. It makes things look very natural, and that's what OPPO has tried to do here. So this is your shark fin camera. It's like a bit different from every other pop-up module that you have been seeing this year. But other than that, the OPPO Reno 10x zoom is actually a flagship device through and through. You have a Snapdragon 855 processor under the hood, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, and I think a 4000 mAh battery. I have to check on that, I can't really recall. But yeah, and it has your Whoop 2.0 flash charge as well. So all those combined, the OPPO Reno 10x zoom is a pretty powerful device at I think it's a quite affordable price point as well. So
Okay,
you have
sir.
any questions?
Yes sir, again the same question, like that this is a camera focused device. So did you notice any performance differences like from the OnePlus 7 Pro on this phone, or whether it is good enough to play all the games like the OnePlus 7 Pro?
Yeah, it is. It also plays, like, lets you play all the game without any glitch or any frame drops or anything whatsoever. I mean, between the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OPPO Reno, I'll say the OnePlus 7 Pro is a better gaming device because of the display. The display makes the games on the OnePlus 7 Pro look much faster and smoother. But this is also not a bad phone if you're into gaming. I mean, you get all this much of screen space to use your hands and fingers to play your games. But more than that, it also comes with this thing called Game Space, which has all the deep-threaded optimization that most of your gaming phones will provide, like clearing out your resources, boosting your network and everything else to make your gameplay look pretty good. So yeah, as far as your gaming questions are concerned, yeah, the OPPO Reno 10x zoom is quite capable of letting you play games at its maximum capability.
Okay, so that was Subhrojit sir telling us about the OPPO Reno. And for more such content, subscribe the Computing Assistant, follow us on Instagram, and keep watching the videos. Thanks.